I think, look at this, look at this. Not quite falling apart, but almost, right? Almost falling apart. Look at that fat layer in there. Look at that bark layer. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Welcome to balmy Ohio, where it's, I think, 31 degrees currently. We're gonna go ahead and get our fire started here for our brisket. So what I did here is I built a big pile of charcoal with two big cherry logs in it, okay? What I'm trying to do is put these logs in now so they'll start to burn and char up a little bit while my fire's getting going before I put my meat on. I got a cast iron skillet with my trimmings. I'm gonna render some tallow today. Have a little bit of that nice rendered tallow to use on our brisket when we wrap it up to keep it moist. I got my fire running around 225, 250 degrees with all lumped charcoal and cherry wood. I'm monitoring both the flat and the points separately with probes, and I will wrap this baby around 175 degrees. And when it gets probe tender around 200 degrees, I'll pull it and let it rest all day. So here's my brisket. I'm very curious to see it. It has been resting for the last 10 hours. It has also been wrapped, and I have not even looked at it since 10:30 last night, and it is 4:30 today. So here we go. A beautiful titanium cutting board. All right, let's take this apart. Wait till my wife sees this and the mess I'm making of her kitchen an hour before everybody's coming over. In 1 hour, everybody's coming over. They're at church right now, and I'm making a mess of her kitchen. That's gonna go over so well. All right, let's flip it back over. Look at that beautiful bark. It's jiggly, it's barky, it's perfect. Let's get out the brand new knife and slice into it and see how it looks. Like butter. Oh, 10 hours of rest. To the flat. I think I nailed it. I think. Look at this. Look at this. Not quite falling apart, but almost, right? Almost falling apart. Look at that fat layer in there. Look at that bark layer. Oh, yeah. Okay, if that came out in the flat even, this is going to be freaking phenomenal.